Trigo.
Good day, class. Today we discuss about adverbs. But before that, please stand and you say, "Are you ready, class?" Please, we say, "Yes, sir. We are born ready." 1, 2, 3, go.
Yes, sir, we are born ready.
Okay, all right. First, what is adverb? An adverb describes verb. It tells how, when, or where an action happens. Sinasabi, paano, kailan, saan nangyayari ang action. And here's our objectives. Identify and classify adverbs of manner, time, and place in sentences. Show confidence, cooperation, and respect during group role play and performance tasks. Demonstrate understanding of adverbs by performing actions, role-playing, church scenes, or recording a mini blog showing how, when, and where an action happens. And there is 3 types of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. This tells how an action happens. How an action is done. Nasabi, paano ang action ay natatapos. Example, quickly, carefully, slowly, loudly. Examples, she sings beautifully. The boy writes neatly. They walk slowly on the road. Another example po sa mga bahay natin, during our dinner or lunch, sinasabi ng mga magulang sa atin na, can you please eat slowly and quietly? Baka kasi magulungan ka, and bawal po ang maingay during our lunch or dinner. Or doon naman sa school, pag maingay tayo, can you class quiet? Pag naiingay si teacher. O kaya naman, can you pass your assignment quickly in the morning? Diba? Tapos ano naman, another example ulit. Banjos Bayaban sings loudly and gracefully in the concert. This is another example of adverb. Adverb of place. This tells where an action happens. Saan nangyayari ang action. Examples. Outside, upstairs, inside, downstairs. Examples, sentences. The children play outside. My bag is here. The cat is slept upstairs. Another example. My dog is sleeping inside my house. Another example. Banjos Bayaban have concert in Villasis, Pangasinan. That is example of adverbs of place. Another example of adverbs. Adverbs of time. This tell when an action happens. Kailan nangyayari ang action. Examples, today, tomorrow, yesterday, later. Example sentences, we will meet tomorrow. I woke up early. He eats breakfast every morning. Another example, pag may class tayo, we have an online class later. Another example again, I woke up early every morning because ayoko malate. This is your evaluation. It out with adverb. Instructions. In a group of 4 to 5 students, pick 3 action cards Pick 3 adverb cards. Example, manner, time, place. Create a 10 to 15 second role play that shows how the action is done. Manner. When it is done. Time. Where it happens. Place. Example, the boy writes neatly in the classroom every morning. Sinasabi dito na yung actions ng manner, i-role play. Actions ng place, kung saan ginawang action, i-role play. Ganon din sa time. And this is your assignment, class. Mini vlog. My day with adverbs. Students will create a 20 to 30 second vlog showing themselves performing actions using one adverb of manner, one adverb of time, one adverb of place. Examples: Hi, I am Mark. I study quietly. I-video nyo yan. I-mini-vlog nyo. Kasi ito naman time. Tapos sa submission naman, pwede nyo isend sa messenger. Pag walang gadget, i-play sa class. Tapos pag wala namang load, basta i-play na lang sa class. Class, para malaman natin ang lesson natin, we have a recitation. Which type of adverb of this?
Adverb of time.
Very good, class. Which type of adverb of this?
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Which type of adverb of this?
Adverb of manner.
How about this?
Baliktad po. Adverb of place.
Very good.
Adverb of place.
Very good, class. Yan lang ang ating lesson for today's video. Bye!